Alright, so somebody gave me a call about picking up this scrap off of this trailer. So I see some aluminum there, and the most interesting thing is that bucket, which he said is about 100 pounds. So that's going to be kind of interesting, but as it sits, that's about $6 worth of shred material. And then I got this thing here. So yeah, I need to get all this loaded and take it back home and add to it and make a shred run on Monday. All right, so it is the next day and it really was pouring when I got home, so I decided not to unload this, and I can't unload it today, but I wanted to show you what I got from that house call. And I'm gonna be going camping in my Jeep Cherokee with a couple of friends here tonight. It's supposed to be beautiful for the rest of the day and tomorrow. And I didn't think I'd be scrapping it all, but I needed a new battery, so I had to run out and get a new one, which was luckily under warranty. So on my way back, I hit that retail location that I hit and found a bunch of scrap, which is actually in the back of my Jeep here. Kind of got worried when I first saw it as to whether or not how much I wanted to wrangle it and try to make it fit. But it's all right here, and you can see it's a giant, I don't even know what it is, but this thing opens up on wheels. I'm probably not going to just try to figure it out. And then I got all these, I don't know, that's all steel, so it's not stainless or anything. But yeah, so probably I'd say a good 80 to 100 pounds. That's a good $5 to $7 worth of metal. And then there is my bed. This is my living space on this side, and I go through all that on my other channel, but I sleep in that when I go camping. So anyway, over here I got you know, this fireplace surround. I picked up a couple of ballasts on the way home. I got this umbrella, obviously. That is I think an inside like gas fireplace, but these bricks came out of it. I wasn't gonna leave those. The guy let me pick up all this steel. I wasn't gonna take these out and leave them on the trailer, but I can actually use these outside, so that comes in really handy for me. And then this cable here, I thought it was a garden hose when I first saw it, but that is some serious, probably copper wire on the inside there. So I'm kind of happy about that. That was super heavy. And then I got this blower unit. I'm not going to even try it. I don't even think I'm going to try to sell it, but it is a blower run by gas, and that vehicle did not look like it should make that kind of sound. And then of course I got the bucket back here. So that was a good 80 to 90 pounds. I was able to deadlift it only because it's centered weight and I could use my legs mostly. But you can see in the bottom there, it is completely torn up. I'd even asked my girlfriend if she wanted for another yard ornament, but she said no. And I don't even think I'm gonna try to sell it for that. I just got too much going on. I'll get a good, I don't know, $5 for that to just throw it into shred. If it was in good condition, I'd reconsider. And then I've got a bunch of aluminum wire, and then there's still some that's encased in the plastic. So I probably won't even deal with that. I'll just get what I can for it at the small scales. And then this huge tank, I'm gonna have to probably punch some holes in it just so they don't give me any crap at the scrapyard. But a couple of other little things, some galvanized steel, and that grate there, those are really, really light. So that's as Scrap and Pallet Man calls it, aluminum, helium aluminum, or helium steel, whatever it might be. And then some chain link fence, which I absolutely do not like dealing with. That stuff gets caught in everything. So it's a good, I would say, 400 to 500 pounds. So it was definitely worth my while to go out there and pick this stuff up. Worked out. So with this and what I just picked up in my Jeep, and what I've got over here, I can definitely do a shred run on Monday, and then later in the week I think I'm going to do small scales. And for the comment about my Michael Jackson gloves, since I work with one hand and film with another, I actually found these today at my retail location, along with some other brand new gloves. These were still attached together and thrown. They were right on top, so I didn't have gloves with me, and these worked out really well. I like my MJ glove. But also this morning I couldn't sleep when I woke up, and I'm getting a GoPro. I actually bought it. Great deal on the GoPro site. I got the bundle package, which was cheaper than I could find anywhere else, which just came with their warranty or some kind of service warranty, and also an extra battery. And it was cheaper than anybody else, even with having to buy that service package. And if you didn't buy the service package, it went up by like $100. So best deal I could find online. So I went ahead and got the GoPro 9, and hopefully within the next week or two I can start filming with that. Couldn't find a light though, because they were out of stock, and on eBay it's just knockoff lights, and I want the real thing. I want to get a quality product and not waste my money on some kind of knockoff. So that I'll have to deal with and just have another light around my neck or something like that. But anyway, I'm rambling on. I got to get ready to go camping, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll talk to you later.